Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Smyrna Elementary School in Louisville, Kentucky, home of the Wildcats and part of the Jefferson County Public School District. I've been to quite a few schools here in JCPS. This is my first time at Smyrna, and it was an amazing morning, early afternoon here, just talking to the K through 5, kindergarten through 5th graders, students and staff. We really focused today on kindness, but especially the theme of bullying with the sub-theme of looking at someone's heart first. And it's really important that we continue to try and give more of ourselves, because the more that we can show that love, the more we get back. I had a lot of students come up to me afterwards, somewhere in tears, sharing their heart with me, and it's always inspiring that they have the courage to step into those emotions, those feelings. Tears are the sweat of our strength, and you're starting to heal and feel again. But for them to ask questions, how can I be more kind? What can I do to have people want to remember me? What am I doing now to have that legacy? Already getting the wheels turned at a young age, knowing that they can make a difference. And so I always say that hurt people. That's a choice, but it's also a choice that heal people. If we can learn to forgive, rise above that hatred, which is not easy to do, we start to make things better, not only in our own life but the lives around us, and we start to change this world, which is pretty incredible to know that we have that power. And sometimes it just takes 2 seconds. We always say that bullying is something repeated over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but the things that aren't bullying, just the one-time actions, right? The 2 seconds, one word, one heartbeat, one breath, whatever it is, in just a few seconds we either uplift or we can destroy, right? Based on what we say, what we do. And so we want our actions, to match, what we want to be for this planet. And, it's so incredible to see that, the students here are really taking that to heart, to look at the heart first. And our heart's as big as our fist. If we can let love fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? And that one finger is ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. Right? We choose to treat that person, hopefully, with love. It's also, again, 2 seconds, because in just 2 seconds, like I mentioned before, we have that opportunity to lift up or to tear down. So hopefully we're going to choose to lift up. Hopefully we're going to, like we are here, the 4 houses and 1 home. That's their mantra here at the school. But hopefully, we choose to come together and bond together and know that we can be that best friend. We can be the change we want to see for this world, that, we can stick with love. And MLK Day approaching soon. We had a couple references to Dr. Martin Luther, and to know that, he was that inspiration for us, but now we pick up that torch. We keep, trying to, be that light, that darkness can't drive out darkness, only light can do that, and hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. So I think the students really got that today, and they definitely touched my heart. So have a great rest of 2024. Hope to see you all again soon. It was an honor to be here. Hope to see you again in the near future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet where you watch this video to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.